Hi there, it's Creative Sarah, and here we're going to do this cute Tomorrow is Full of Possibilities project. So I have a piece of just a piece of wood. It's finished only on one side, and so it's just meant to be a simple sign. It could be standing, or you can put a hanger backer on there. I'm going to write back on the back of the transfer sheet so I know which side of the paper to put my transfer back on when I'm finished. Now, surface wax. I already waxed this board, so I'm not going to do it in front of you, but just know that you're going to want that done when you're using a piece of wood. I am fuzzing this transfer. I'm going to set it down kind of over to the side because I have something special for the other side. I am going to make it simple. Look at this. I'm using my 4-inch squeegee again. I took it off of the handle. Look how quick and easy. Done in what, 10 seconds? Holy buckets, so easy. This is our storm gray color. Oh, it looks so good. I'm so excited. We're gonna dry this, and if you're new, go ahead and comment VIP if you want more information or sample to try it. Once this is completely dry, you guys, we can embellish. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just kind of checking. I've got this big piece of burlap, and I'm simply gonna tie it on here, double knot, spread it out a little bit, and look how cute. Guys, CreativeSarah.com for more information.